whoa. And there he goes again, running. Listen to that. Sound of a sardine.
Hello friends. Wow, check this water out. Back to back waves, rolling water, conditions are tough. So we came out here at Market Pier to put a couple of baits out. The condition is very tough. Been here since the morning. There were a few bream that came out. One of the guys did catch one shad here, just here in the front line. But as you can see, our water condition is really difficult. It was high water just about 2:15. So we're looking at waves that are huge, coming just in the back line there. Look at that. We've got Shane Cooper there on the far right hand side corner. He threw out a 10 ounce on a heavy stick. I managed to just get a 6 ounce, and we put that just in our front here with a chocker bait in this rolling white water just to see what we can get out there. Conditions are difficult, but very difficult. But what's excellent about today, I met quite a few of you that came and joined me out here today. That was lovely. Great meeting all of you that's coming out here and visiting us here at Market Pier. We shared some old fisherman tales. We had some good fun and laughter, waiting for a bite in this rough water. Look at that. I'm using NG setup here today. Salt is 6,500 for the Saltus Elite. 7 to 9 ounce here. We managed to get a good cast out, but not all the way to where the rolling water is. As you can see, just where the water subsides a bit, that's where we've got our bait sitting now. So we've got a good chocker bait sitting there. Hopefully we get a pickup. Look at this. Pier is getting bashed up today. Look at that. Come on. We need to see a rod bender here today. Shane Cooper's rod is all the way there on the right hand side of the pier. We actually saw some action with the tuna just past the brown water. And we could have a clear view of the tuna that jumped right off the water. That's Shane Cooper's rod. Okay folks, conditions are really tough. I put out 2 chocker baits out. I got picked up, there is peckers that are here, but nothing big enough to take my fiber hooks. So yes, but the current, we expected it to subside a bit, unfortunately not. So I'm gonna reel up, spend the Sunday afternoon at home, relax with the puppies. So folks, yeah, very difficult conditions, have a look at that. Let's hope during the course of the week that this can improve. As you can see, most of the other fishermen, Shane Cooper has already pulled out his bait. He had his one right up the far right hand side. We had Andrew here in the center. They pulled up. They're just waiting for me there. They parked right up on top. They packed their things. I'm the last man standing. But I gotta pick up. I'm gonna take out now and pack it up. Okay, so all the best folks. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe. We'll keep it rolling. All the best.
whoa. And there he goes again, running. Listen to that. Sounds of a sardine.